been a hot minute, but I'm back with what did I eat for Christmas. First night, Christmas Eve, we had some kupia, which was super good to fight against the coldness of the Midwest. And then my aunties also made some Korean barbecue. So we have beef for our protein, shrimp, and pork belly, which is what I'm eating right now. I have no idea why it was not cut, but it wasn't, so I just ate it like this. And then my sister made some bomb AF japchae, which is like a Korean stir-fried noodle dish. And then we also have some hot pot, which is what I'm eating right now. It's a different type of noodle that's thinner, but it was super good. And my sister made some bomb AF mac and cheese. And then for Christmas night or Christmas day, we had some kupbong gochujang, which is a clear broth noodle dish. And then we also made some egg rolls. If you are a Hmong family or you know Hmong people, you know we always have to have some type of Hmong egg roll for our holiday season parties. But that's all I ate for Christmas. Merry Christmas, everyone.